aka the Southern Belle of the South Bronx. Welcome back to my channel. So I have some exciting news. Well, at least it's exciting for me. I'm going to cut all of my hair off in a week. So today is June 9th. I don't know if you can see. It is June 9th, 2021, and my haircut appointment is going to be next Wednesday, the 16th, and I am so excited. I've had a pixie cut before, but I'm gonna go low. How low can you go? Can you go down low? I'm going low, and I'm excited, and I'm going to be recording it. Hopefully they let me record inside of the salon, but yes, I'm so excited. Just a little update on my hair. If you've seen my other videos, you know I have like a bit of, I don't know, what we call it, mechanical? Okay, let's call it mechanical damage. Someone mentioned that in one of my videos, and I've also mentioned it in my update videos as well, that I think it might be just mechanical for me just doing too much to my hair. So yeah, this is my hair right now. I got a haircut March 26, 2021. I got a blunt bob cut. You can probably hear the train. So yes, I'm so excited, and also it's very hot in New York. If you can see, I'm glistening, not only because of sweat, but I also have sunscreen on. But I'm so excited to cut this hair off. Haircuts mean a lot to me. Like, hair holds so much energy, so when I cut hair off, it just means like I'm shedding a layer, I'm going into a new chapter in my life. So I'm so excited. So I'll see you guys in a week. I can't wait. Bye. We'll see you soon. Hey y'all, so it's Wednesday, June 16th. I'm about to go cut my hair over at Spoke Weal. So yes, I'm on my way to go cut it. I don't know if they're gonna let me record inside, but we shall see. A little reserved, even though I had originally planned to get this haircut October 2020, and it's now June 2021, so I'm excited. Look at what's outside the window while I wait in the waiting room. It says, "Do it for you." Isn't that crazy? Get started. I'm so excited. You can see it in my face. We're gonna start off with the first snip. Karen was like, "Are you ready?" And I'm like, "Yes, ma'am. Yes, I am." I really didn't feel anything at the moment, not until I saw myself like with a partial pixie cut, that I was like, oh wow, this is real. So she starts off with the back, she does the sides, and then eventually gets to the top. This is only like the first part. So we were saving the hair for a photo op. You'll see it here in a second. It was a lot of hair, and as you can see, she just did like the primary cut, but you know, we're not done snipping yet. You can tell I have a lot of hair and it's very thick. So the first phase was just cutting it down, and then next Karen's gonna go in with a blow dryer just to give my hair a bit of stretch so that I can get a better precise haircut, because it is so thick. I want my hair to lay flat up against my scalp, so the blow dryers are going to help here. So we're parting it. Karen's going to go in with her clippers again to remove length and also to remove some weight, and then we're going to go in again with the shears. And this goes on for a while. I cut it for the video, but there's a lot of weight to remove. You know, the length for the most part has gone down, so that's where we're at right now. We're trying to avoid my hair looking like a helmet, which is why it's so important to remove not only length but also weight, which she's doing right here with the clippers. And then for more weight, Karen's going to go in with some thinning shears, and this is what really gives the haircut its like perfect touch, because it's removing the weight. We're going to go in with a flat iron. This is again to provide more stretch for a more precise haircut. Here we're removing the final length that's left up on top. I want my hair to be very short, but not short enough where I can't part it. It's like maybe an inch or so of hair left on top. So here Karen is just going in, removing weight, and also removing some weight again with my favorite, the thinning shears. So just some final trims, and also I couldn't get it in the video, but my hair is going to be washed in the next clip. So my hair is already washed at this point. It was at this moment that I made a new friend. This is a miniature Italian Greyhound, if I'm not mistaken. I forgot his name. But my hair is freshly washed, and Karen's just going in with some final snips before we head back to the sink to re-wet, add some leave-in conditioner, and style it with some styling foam. This is how I would typically style my Pixie, especially back in the day with this combo, as well as my wash and go when my hair was longer, you know, a few hours ago. So this is a perfect combo for me. Baby hairs are a must. So I'm here thinking like, oh, this would look nice with some baby hairs. And Karen goes like, oh, I'm gonna put these in. Meanwhile, I did not verbalize this to her, but she read my mind and I loved it. So here she's just adding a little bit more of the styling foam, and then she's going to diffuse my hair so I don't go outside with my hair dripping wet, and I'm already in love. She's adding some spritz, and voila, look at this hair. I'm completely in love, and I'm so grateful. We left the back natural. I didn't taper it up just because I wanted to look a little soft. Again, thank you, Karen, so much for bringing my vision to life. This is a 360 view of the hair. Unfortunately, I did not take any pictures except for when I got home. This is me on my Instagram stories that I never posted. And catch me a few days later talking about this haircut. Enjoy! Alright, y'all, so it's been a few days since I got my haircut. I got my haircut Wednesday, June 16th at 2 p.m. and today is Saturday, June 19th. Happy Juneteenth. So yeah, so I just wanted to wait a few days just for me to get used to this haircut. This is the shortest I've ever cut my hair. I've had Pixie cuts in the past. I had a Pixie cut from 2014 to about 2017, or was it 2016? Either way, I've had Pixie cuts, never this short. The back, yes, the back I've had this short before. Let's see if you can see that. But like, never the front. So right now, the way I have it styled, I have washed it since I first got it cut. I just washed it, I shampooed, I put a deep conditioner in for like 5 minutes, and then I did a foaming mousse. The Nairobi, which is like my second video ever on YouTube, was a wash and go featuring the Nairobi. So Nairobi was a foaming mousse that I used to use a lot when I had a Pixie cut, because it's just easy to like mold the hair, style the hair. So I used that, and then I put a silk scarf on it, and I just let it, you know, do its thing. I did part it. I used some of my Shine and Jam gel to part it, because now that it's so short, it's very hard to part, but I love it. It is so freeing. It's looks like it's going to be a hot summer here in New York. It's already sticky. So I'm just so appreciative that my hair is this short. I really don't have to worry about frizz or hair on my face. Like I said, it's gonna get a lot for me to get used to, because it is the shortest I've ever gone. But I'm excited to play around in accessories, like with scarves, head wraps, wearing bigger earrings now that my earrings won't be, you know, in the bush of my hair. As you probably could see in the clips before this one, I had a lot of hair. I just want to give a huge thank you to Karen at Spoke Weal Soho. She was the one who cut my hair. I initially wanted to cut my hair in October 2020, but I wasn't able to do so. So it's been a long time coming. And I had booked with Karen again, but she did an amazing job. She was so patient. I don't want to exaggerate, but I think it took like a full hour, just a full continuous hour of just cutting my hair because of the density of my hair. So it's just like, oh, like let's just cut it short. No, like you have to go and cut it short, and then you have to like thin out the hair so like it lays down, and I just don't look like I have a helmet full of hair. So I just want to say thank you, Karen, so much. I love it. I love it at this stage, but I was like, oh, I wonder what it's gonna look like in 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 8 weeks, because my hair does grow fast, knock on wood. But yes, this is new for me. I'm so excited. I feel like I'm going into a new chapter in my life, even though my birthday was in May. But anywho, it's very freeing. Having short hair has always been very freeing for me. I just feel like I let go of a lot of attachment and energies. Hair tends to hold on to a lot of energy. So yeah, this is my new haircut. Right before I cut it, I did measure it. I had about 15 inches worth of hair. A lot of hair. So yeah, I'll do a video on me styling it. I'm gonna try to do finger waves. I haven't done finger waves in such a long time. Yeah, this is my cut and I'm so excited. Let's do a close-up. Let me show you the back. I was going to like taper in the back, but I was like, oh, I want it to look nice, natural, and soft. And Karen suggested to leave it like this, and I just love it. Thank you again, Karen, at Spoke Weal in Soho. This haircut was paid by me, by the way. This is not sponsored, but I just love Karen's work. I've been looking at her work since last year on Instagram, and I was just like, I know I want Karen to cut my hair. So yes, as always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Be blessed. Bye.